Hi, I'm Leo Franks, I'm 14 and hoping to take over my dad's business. Hope you like the video. Let's get straight into it. Today I'll be looking at a Merc GL350 Glass. It's 19-inch 5-spoke wheels. Car's finished in metallic silver paint. At the front it has bison headlights. It's 2010 template model year. Has BlueEFFICIENCY badging, privacy glass. It's electronic boot. Just need to power tailgate. This car's a rear sunroof. Has a Parktronic with front and rear parking sensors. 6 at the front, 4 at the rear. It's electric folding and unfolding third row seats, so it's 7-seater. Fold quite fast and unfold quite fast. Spare wheel. This car has full leather. It's real leather in black. Standard one's Artico and it's this man-made leather. You have temperature controls at the rear, over here. You have fan, temperature, auto, and the flow direction adjustment. You have a little compartment there, some space down there, little bolt socket, 3 cup holders there. Could store some items down there as well. It also has controls for the third row seats in here. There's this wood, light orangey brown looking wood veneer trim. Has 12-way electric seats, non-memory with 4-way lumbar. Has electric folding mirrors. Has electric front windows, electric rear windows, and also has rear hinged back window. Pretty cool. Don't really see that a lot. Moving in on the inside. It's got paddle shift. It's got a column mounted automatic shifter. Reverse, drive, park. Neutrals here. There's a sunroof at the front here as well. It's electric. Also, it's heated seats, 2-zone climate control at the front over here. Comes standard with COMAND, also has telephone. Has a USB adapter so you can plug your latest iPhone inside. Doesn't have wireless charging obviously because 2010. But, you know, it's an adapter, it is what it is. Has 6 CD changer. ventilated heated seats. It has AirMATIC dual mode control suspension with sport, comfort and auto mode, and you can also lift the car. You can raise it and lower it using that dial. It has some off-roading modes, probably like going up a hill and maybe going down a hill. There's a differential locking system for the four-wheel drive or all-wheel drive, don't know exactly which one it is. Has these nice rubber mats also. Those are good, quite useful for an off-road car. Because the gear stick isn't in the middle anymore, it's just been replaced by 2 cup holders. You can take out that divider to have extra space. It's 12 volt there. Got some storage there. As mentioned, at Parktronic, those are the front sensors. It's cruise control. It's a 3-litre V6 with about 200 horsepower. I think it's got quite a lot of torque though, so it's good for off-roading. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.